High-voltage power cable. Witness the precision behind our high-voltage power cable production. From conductor stranding to triple-layer cross-linked polyethylene insulation, every stage is engineered for maximum efficiency and voltage endurance. Our advanced extrusion lines and clean room environments ensure flawless insulation and shielding. Metallic sheathing and robust jacketing provide superior protection against stress, moisture, and interference. Each cable undergoes rigorous high-voltage testing to guarantee safety and performance under extreme conditions. Built to power cities, grids, and critical infrastructure, our cables